Welcome back. I am Sinura Wahalathanthri and I'm here with my 10th video from the eShop web development series. So, in this video, we will be talking about how to create user profile page using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So, I have been arrived to my home page by using the sign-in page. So I have used an actual account to come to this home page. So in my home page, as we talked in the before videos, I have included my header.php. So in my headers, I told you in the before video that I have given a drop down. So in this drop down, you all can see there are options as my profile, my settings. Likewise, there are so much options that you can go. So for this video, we will be only needing the My Profile option. So let's check what I have done over here. So when I go to this page, you all can see I have included my header and this border, as you can see, this blue color part. And over here, I have divided 3 columns. So in the first column, I have given an image and my name, my first name and the last name, and my Gmail. And I have also given a button as update profile image. And when I go for the another column, you all can see there is a column as profile settings. So that means the settings you can change from the column, this column. So I have given my first name, so I can change it. My last name, I can change it. The mobile, I can change it. The password, I can't change it. The email, I can't change it. So the register date, I can't change it. Address line 1, line 2, province, district, city, postal code can be changed, but the gender can't be changed. So for this, I have used another a class as disabled. So to make this, I have given disabled. After that, I have given a button as update my profile. So we will be talking about the update my profile in the next video. So hold on to that. So let's go and check what I have done in this user profile.php. So let's go and check the backend code of it. So when I go to my VS Code, first I have given my user profile.php. So before we talk about this, so I told you from the header.php we can go to the user profile. So let's check how I did it. So when I go to my header.php, you all can see I have given an anchor tag. So for that anchor tag, you all can give an href. So this href means that you all it contains some URL, so you can change the page from one to another. So I have given my href to the user profile.php. And when you click this, it should go to this. That means when you click the my profile, it should change to the user profile.php. So let's check what I have done in the user profile.php. So in the beginning, I have given my doc type HTML, that means the HTML format, as HTML5, and I have given the header, and for the header, I have given my Bootstrap meta tags and a title and my links of the style sheets. As you can see over here, I have given 5 style sheets as bootstrap.css, bootstrap icons, bootstrap min.css, and font. So after that, I have given my style sheet as style.css. I have also linked my icon as the resource logo.svg. So when I go to the body, you all can see the main class, the div, as the container fluid. And inside that, I have given a row. So that is a format that I have been used to this a div inside a div inside a div, like that. So for this, I have given my include header.php. So this is why I got my header in the beginning. After that, I have given a required connection. So I told you what is this required.connection in my before videos. So this, if I tell you about it briefly, this means I require it. The connection.php, that means the databases for this. So require means it's simple to understand that you can take it from there but from the back. So after that, I have given an if. So if is set $session u, the email should be the $session u email. And I have given these codes to make this function. Only these codes. So after that, I have closed my PHP script and opened it down. So we'll be going for that after we talk about this design. So for this, I have given a call 12, BG primary, row, and y'all can see these stuff I have given. So let's go and talk to the main topic of this. So for this, for the image that you saw before, I have used these codes. As you can see, I have given a PHP script, and inside that, if empty, that means the image data, the path, if it's empty, this sample image should be shown. So this, I have given an image tag as the src, the avatar that I took from the icon finder. If not, that means if it comes to the else, it should, the src should be my image data path. So after we go down, you also, after the image, you saw my first name and the last name and the email. So this is the process that happens over here. So I have given two spans, and for those I have given echoes as $data. It should echo my first name, and I have concatenated and given a space over here, so I can give it a space in my between my names and my L name. So for the email, I have echoed my $email. After that, I have given this update profile image. So we will be talking about this also in another video. So let's check how I got the values but without typing it to the profile settings. So for this, I have used these divs, and for these divs, I have given values. So for the values, I have given my PHP script and echoed $data, fname, id, fname. And so on, I have given for all of these the same thing, but the IDs are changed. For the password also, I have given the same thing. But for this password, I have given another type called read only. So this is helping for the people who changes password without knowing. So if they want to change their password, they can't, because if somebody hacks to your account and tries to change your password, they can't, because this option helps for that. As you can see in my user profile, y'all can't change it. Even I type. See, even the color changes, you can't type anything. So this is the option why we give read only. And when I go down, y'all can see my email, registered date. For those also, I have given the read only option. And I have told if the line 1 is empty. So over here, I have made an PHP script and told if line 1 is empty, this not empty, I'm sorry, it's not empty, this should happen. And if not, just show this. And if the line 2 is empty, this should happen. And if not, this should happen. That means if the line 1 is empty, it should echo the address data line 1. So if not, it just should show the input field. If the line 2 is empty, the same thing happens. So over here I have given my province RS database search, select all from province, and likewise I have given it for the district RS also. And over here it is the part where everybody mess up. So you all can see I have given this div, and I have given a label as province and a selector as a form select, and an ID called province. So I have given an option as select province, and in a PHP script I have given $province num, $province rs, num rows, and I have put a for loop, and inside that for loop I have given the simple format of $x, $x if it's smaller than the product province num, it should have +1. Like that, I have given the product data, product rs fetch assoc, and I have closed the PHP script and opened it over here. And inside that PHP script, I have given these options, and for those options, I have given these values. And I have again closed my PHP script and opened it and given these details. So this is the part where everybody messes up. So when you go from here, you all can see this part, but this is not inside a PHP script or outside. No, it's not inside a PHP script. It's only outside the PHP script. So the same thing is there in the select district, but the names and the IDs are changed. So the same thing happens in the city also, because all are the same. But in the postal code, it's the same, because this should happen if not empty, and this should happen when it's not, if it's empty. So the same thing happens what in the line address line 1 should happen over here, but the IDs and the names should be changed. So I have given my gender, and my gender is also have given the read only option and the value gender type. And I have given my update my profile button, and I have made another column and I have given it display ads. So if we have time in another day, I will show you how to display these ads. So until then, have a nice day and bye.